Wonder Pets, we found a way to help Ming Ming Duckling and save the day. We're not too big and we're not too tough, but